Hi everyone, it's Rob at Platinum Wave Automotive. This is the Fiamma F45S wind-out awning, and I'd like to tell you why this item is so popular. First of all, let's look at why this item really is so popular. So, the canopy does several different things. One of the things it does is it provides shelter for when it's raining, shade for when you want to keep the sun off your head, and also creates this additional space which allows you to put things such as a table and chairs outside for a picnic. Setting up the F45S awning is quite simple. All you need to do is pop this hook into this part here, which is located at the back of the awning, and you can wind this up or wind it down depending on if you want to set it up or put away the awning. I'd recommend having 2 people to set this up. It just means that no damage will be done to your van by accident. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to fully set up so that you can shelter from the rain and shade from the sun. The awning really is one of the most popular items that we sell, and 2 reasons for that are as following. The first reason being that this part really is so simple and easy to set up. The second is that this part also really is made of high quality durable material, which means that it can withstand quite adverse weather conditions. The customers really do love the quality and the customization of the F45S awning, which also comes in 2 different colours, white and black. The canopy really is a great upgrade for your van, providing you years and years of protection and enjoyment in all seasons. If you're interested in having the Fiamma F45S awning installed onto your van, then please contact me at aftersales@platinumwaveautomotive.com, or you can contact me here at the showroom on 024 76 101 450.